Hello, thank you for taking time to learn more about FTL Finance and how we can provide you and your customers with easy, simple financing. I'm Melissa Hyatt, the Sales and Marketing Manager. I've worked with the HVAC, PVF, and construction industries in different capacities and understand many of the unique challenges the HVAC industry faces. But one thing we hope is to eliminate the word challenge from financing so it is an easy, simple closing tool, allowing you to sell more product. FTL Finance is a nationwide provider of consumer HVAC financing. We don't finance boats, houses, or cars, so our money is available to the industry exclusively. We work to provide competitive programs that are good for you and your customer. Financing is most effectively used as a closing tool, though you should always promote it in your marketing. By offering financing on every project, you can close 30 to 50% more sales. If you're not currently offering financing, what a great way to find growth. If you are offering financing, keep it up, and now you'll have another tool to close that sale. At FTL Finance, we say easy, simple, a lot. We find that something isn't easy, we work to change it, and are continually improving and adapting to your and the industry needs. Here are a few key points about FTL Finance, many of which make us different from other financing options out there. Remember, it is our goal to provide you with a program that can help you grow sales, but we also want to offer programs that are good for your customer as well. I'll touch on many of these points throughout the presentation. FTL Finance offers a unique financing product called the Finance Lease. This is not leasing in the traditional sense. We don't want the product back. The consumer owns the product. The Finance Lease is a fixed-term, fixed-interest rate product with a dollar buyout at the end. We have terms 24 to 84 months and corresponding interest rates of 13.9% to 18.9%. This is very similar to a single installment loan. This program makes it easy to hit the customer's monthly payment goal. Remember, focus on the monthly payment, not the total ticket cost. Our same as cash deferred interest programs are unique. During the deferred interest period, the customer does not have a payment, so for 90 days, 6 months, or 12 months, the customer pays nothing if they choose. The same as cash programs are the only programs that have dealer fees. We do not have monthly minimum fees, application fees, faxing fees, or any other miscellaneous charges. Also, for your customer, there are no prepayment penalties, no default rate for late or missed payments. We won't raise their interest rate for any reason. It's fixed. When the customer says, yes, I'm interested in financing, verify these things. They are the property owner, they have income from a job or retirement, they aren't in credit counseling, or in or just out of bankruptcy. If they're all good, then let's get them approved and close that sale. The steps from sale to funding are easy and simple. Submit the application online for an automated response of approved, pending, or declined. If approved, we'll verify property ownership, then call you with the lease number. Pending applications get a second review by a senior underwriter. Remember, our goal is to get your customers financed. We're committed to making financing decisions based on more than just the credit score, and unfortunately, there are declines. You can also track our projects on our contractor portal called the App Tracker. With your approval, you can now install. Prior to going to the installation, complete the contract online and the Truth in Lending form, which is auto-populated using the calculator tool. Print 2 copies, have the customer read and sign the documents when the installation is complete. Shake hands and head back to the office and fax the documents to FTL Finance. My favorite part is talking about funding. We know it is important to manage cash flow. To help with that, we offer same-day funding. When your documents are received by noon Central Standard Time, you will receive your money in your account the next day, with the exception of weekends and bank holidays. And of course, you can track this via the App Tracker as well. We all know, for the most part, folks aren't buying HVAC equipment for the fun of it. Typically, it's an unexpected expense, and you are coming to their rescue, not only with a great product and expert skills, but also with a payment option that's doable. Customers with a credit score of 730 and above with a debt-to-income ratio of 35% or less receive staff approval and automated approval. Folks 729 to 640 fall into the pending group and receive a second review. This secondary review allows us to look further into why their score is where it is. This is where we typically identify the need to show more income or sometimes data that was incorrectly submitted. Underwriting isn't an exact science. That is why we have a pending group so we can give your customers a fair appraisal of their financial picture. To approve more people, we also have a credit risk program for those customers who would not be otherwise approved. In addition to a risk fee paid by the customer, we might also require a down payment, reduced loan amount, or deny a same-as-cash program. When a customer is a credit risk, we will have a specific conversation with you to review. So how do you get started? When I say easy, simple financing, it doesn't get much easier than a one-page registration. As a courtesy and added value to the lead generation Tier 2 program, we will be handling the registration for you, and you will receive your registration information via email and a packet in the mail. If you are not a Tier 2 contractor yet, then don't worry. It will only take you about 3 minutes to register. Visit our website, ftlfinance.com, click on the New Contractor Registration, and complete the form. We complete a business verification, then email to you your portal username and password and mail you your packet. All documents are available online with our marketing tools, calculator, as well as the contractor portal that allows you to track all of your projects financed with FTL. The list is pretty comprehensive of what we finance. Just make sure there is a model and serial number, and when in doubt, call or email. Also, note that you can include the cost to upgrade the electrical panel. This can be very helpful. We want you to expect consistency, good service for both you and your customers. Our office hours are between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. You can submit your applications and receive a response 24 hours, 7 days a week online. Should your customers have a real emergency, submit the application online, receive the response. If the response is pending, then call the after-hours emergency line and an underwriter will review that application between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. We are more than happy to train your staff, so take advantage of our online webinars and online tools. We make paying easy for customers and are available to speak with them during office hours via phone or live chat. You will find our process very easy, very simple, and competitive. I hope you'll also attend or view the how-to webinar where we will have selling tips and more. We look forward to working with you. We are very hands-on with our contractors and work to help you to be successful.